Ever wondered how much it takes to start investing your money? You're not alone. Many people think investing is only for the wealthy, but that's simply not true. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Stashaway, a popular investment platform, and answering the burning question, how much does it actually cost to get started? Stashaway is a robo-advisor, meaning it uses technology to automate your investments. They offer a range of portfolios tailored to your risk tolerance and investment goals, making it accessible even for those new to investing. But here's the real kicker, Stashaway has a reputation for being incredibly user-friendly and affordable. So, let's break down the costs and see if it truly lives up to the hype. First things first, there's no minimum initial investment required to open a Stashaway account. That's right, you can start with as little as you're comfortable with. This low barrier to entry is a major plus for those just starting their investment journey. Now, let's talk about fees. Stashaway primarily charges a management fee, which is a percentage of your invested assets. This fee varies depending on the portfolio you choose. Typically, it ranges from around 0.1% to 0.8% per year. This means that for every $1,000 invested, you might pay between $1 and $8 in annual management fees. Keep in mind that these are just estimates. It's always best to check the latest fee information directly on the Stashaway website or app. They may also have different fee structures for different account types or investment amounts. How do Stashaway's fees compare to other investment platforms? Well, they're generally considered quite competitive. Traditional investment platforms often have higher minimum investment amounts and may charge higher management fees or commissions on trades. Stashaway's focus on automation and technology allows them to streamline their operations and pass on those savings to their customers. This makes it an attractive option for those looking for an affordable and efficient way to invest. While the management fee is the most significant cost, there might be a few other things to consider. Some portfolios may have underlying fund fees, which are charged by the individual funds within your portfolio. These fees are usually very small and can vary depending on the specific funds chosen. Stashaway also offers optional services like financial planning and tax optimization. These services may come with additional fees, but they are not mandatory. You can choose the services that best suit your needs and budget. So, how do you get started with investing in Stashaway? It's incredibly easy. Sign up, visit the Stashaway website, or download their app. Take the risk assessment, answer a few simple questions to determine your risk tolerance. Choose a portfolio, select the portfolio that aligns with your investment goals and risk profile. Fund your account, transfer funds from your bank account to your Stashaway account. Start investing, that's it. Stashaway will automatically invest your money according to your chosen portfolio. Investing can seem daunting, but Stashaway makes it accessible and affordable. With low minimum investment amounts and competitive fees, it's a great option for both beginners and experienced investors. Remember, it's crucial to do your own research and understand the risks involved before making any investment decisions. Stashaway provides a wealth of information and resources on their platform to help you make informed choices. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.